Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you the latest working method to install Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad. This means you'll be able to install any IPA file on your iOS device without a PC and without jailbreaking. Best of all, this method works on iOS 16, iOS 17, and even iOS 18. So no matter which version you're on, you're good to go. If you're tired of revoked apps and complicated methods, this is the ultimate guide for you. Let's get started. First, open Safari, and then open SKIBIDI Tech website, and then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the DNS profile in your iOS device. I will put the website link in the description. Then open Setting, then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install and hit Install again to install DNS profile in your iOS device. Now open Safari again, and then open official Scarlet website. I will put the website link in the description. Then scroll down, and then hit on Install. It will open new page. Now simply hit on Direct Install, and then hit Open, and then hit Install to install Scarlet in your iOS device. Once Scarlet is installed, now open Setting, then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let Scarlet work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see Scarlet app will start working properly, without any problem. Now simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device, then simply open Scarlet, and then hit arrow down button. Then simply select your IPA file. Then simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iOS device. And that's it. Now you know how to install Scarlet and any IPA file without APC or jailbreak in 2025. This method works on iOS 16, iOS 17, and iOS 18. So no matter your version, you're covered. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more iOS tricks and updates. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.